Hello, my name is Adriana Esperanza Salgado. I would like to explain about the travel to New York. I traveled to New York with my husband, my son, and my daughter. I consider that the family is the most important part of my life because if you travel together, you will generate different links, and it's very important to make it memorize and enjoy different experience. At the family adventure promotes interpersonal skills and different culture. The transport for international airport of New York is John F. Kennedy. John F. Kennedy is located in the Jamaica neighborhood of Queens. It's the biggest airport. More than 19 airlines operating the airport. That's incredible. But for the luggage, it's amazing to consider that to travel in June because the spring is very gorgeous. For example, to do different activities outside, to go to the Central Park. For the luggage, it's very important: blue jeans, t-shirts, comfortable dresses. Because the spring is an incredible weather, and additional sandals could be very important for that travel. Okay, the other part is the activities to do in New York. The Grand Central Terminal is very important. Lincoln Center is performing, for example, the Metropolitan Opera is incredible. The Empire State Building, that's iconic and classic. And I skating in Rockefeller Center, but depending on the weather, and shopping in New York City is an amazing experience. And the Statue of Liberty because it's the symbol of political freedom and democracy. And the theater of the New York City, there are 39 theaters in operation in Broadway, for example, and the museums could be incredible for New York. And the events, for example, Music Night Festival is an incredible because usually is in the second week of June, and participate in a lot of museums and Metropolitan, Jelly's New Gallery, and the Museum of New York City, and the summer concert because we'll be able to see a different kind of music, for example, rock, soul, and blues. And the Gate Pride Parade is very different, and I enjoy that activity for LGBTO community. And the budget there New York is very expensive. For example, for the budget for flight accommodation, for food, restaurants, the pure visit museum is very expensive, but it's very beautiful. The other hand, the places to spend at night, for example, visiting Times Square, it is incredible. Walking across the Brooklyn Bridge, it could be interesting, and watch the Broadway show, and hang out in the Brooklyn Bridge could be very important. Thank you so much. Bye bye.